Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In a surprise announcement during the Daytona 500, Fox revealed that it is replacing longtime commentator and three-time NASCAR Cup champion Darrell Waltrip with Digger the Gopher. Digger the Gopher made his television debut during the 2008 Daytona 500.
Let's help you make your mark.
Larry McReynolds' net worth. Larry McReynolds is an American racing analyst and former NASCAR crew chief who has a net worth of $4 million. Larry McReynolds was born in Birmingham, Alabama in January 1959. He was a minority owner of Bang.
Take our lead.
Darrell Waltrip net worth and career earnings. Darrell Waltrip is an American motorsports analyst, author, national television broadcaster, and former race car driver who has a net worth of $25 million. Darrell Waltrip was born in Owensboro, Kentucky on February 5, 1947.
Let's help you make your mark.
The 72-year-old NASCAR legend and Franklin resident says he will cross the finish line of his television broadcasting career at the end of Fox Sports NASCAR race coverage this season, which ends on June 23 with the Toyota Save Mart 350 in Sonoma, California.
Take our lead.
Michael Waltrip net worth. Michael Waltrip is an American professional race car driver who has a net worth of $35 million. Michael Waltrip was born in Owensboro, Kentucky in April 1963. At 15, Michael asked his older brother Darrell to help him start a career in NASCAR.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.